Let's turn it up. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop now. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop now. Don't stop, won't stop. Let's turn it up.
How you doing, family? So, hey, it's early in the morning. My family's asleep. But check this out. Got my team. They on the way here to get the signs, put them out. You shouldn't pay no more than about $1 a sign. And hey, you want to get rid of the house quick, fast? Put up some signs. Rent to own, lease purchase, easy qualification. They gone. Let you take a peek at mine real quick. So we got these going on with a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. Got a number they call in. Tell them all the details about the property. Hey, you guys can call that number just to check out a little bit of what we say. Now, if the property was vacant, we would do a open house, kind of like an open house round robin, and get rid of the property in the weekend. But you know, that's another level for another conversation. Let me show you the other side we have over here. So right here, I think this is about a good 40, 50. And let's go in here, we got a couple more signs here. About another 50. So this is just for one property we got. Hey man, wanna get rid of them houses fast, baby. You gotta bless the neighborhood. So I'm gonna give you a brief. After they go put them out, we're gonna ride by so you guys can see where to exactly put your signs.
As it is. As was stated heretofore, if you can imagine what you
So guys, a plaza like this, you want to tear it up, man. You know it's going to be the weekend. It's going to be a lot of people. You know, a lot of people go shopping during the weekday, so you want to make sure you hit every major plaza, man, with your rent to own with your rent to own signs. You want to hit everything, man. Look at it, man. There's banks and everything around here. A plaza like this, man, you want to tear it up. So one house, man, you got to put at least 100 signs out. Now I'm out here checking, making sure my guys got the signs out. Let's see what we have. Okay, look, I see one. Now these signs, they're blue and white, but I'm gonna be honest with you. This guy here, we ordered a different color signs, and he stuck us with the wrong color. So he's definitely out of the picture. I would not be giving a referral for him. But let's see what we have here. Okay, going out the plaza, you want to definitely hit by the sign, by these stop signs. So we got one of our signs here, and one over there. So when a person going out, they can see it. They got to stop and look at it. That'll give them enough time to write down a number. Also, you want to tear these major intersections up, man. Grocery stores, Walmart, stop signs, flood the block, man. So like this stop sign here, guys, you see how we got the sign here? People on the way out. We're gonna hit all stop sign. See these plazas over here. Anywhere where you have stop sign. Look right here, bam, stop sign. So guys, very, 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 very important. When you're marketing, putting your houses out there for sale, just say, so we're talking about selling properties here, not buying properties. We're talking about selling properties. After you taking over property subject to or owner financing, now you look for a lease purchase tenant buyer, or you're looking for an owner financing buyer. Just change it up. Easy qualification, own your home. Put your telephone number down there. Hey, get the calls in. There's going to be a lot of calls, so you want to get a system that'll separate that, or just say on your voicemail, hey, you got a reasonable down payment, you can easily qualify for our home. But I would get a dedicated line, because when you put out 100 signs, you're going to get a lot of calls, I'm telling you. And about 90% of them are going to be bullcrap calls. You know, people just call them because they want to be nosy or they want to rent a property. So make sure you make that statement on the phone. Hey, guys, this property is not for rent. It's for rent to own, which requires a reasonable down payment. If you have a down payment, leave your name and number. If you have a down payment and you're looking to rent to own, leave your name and number. Simple as that. You want to weed out all the bull crap. So that's how you find your tenant buyer for your properties. That's how you can find your owner finance tenant buyer. Put out about a good 100 signs. Make sure you put the property online. You can list it on Zillow, all the good free sites. Put it on there, guys, and market that property until you get it sold. Remember, you got to put the energy into it to get it sold. Don't expect to put it on one site and put out 10 signs, man. And, oh my God, why is my phone not ringing? Oh, it's not working. Oh, put the energy behind it. Get aggressive with it. If you want to get a check quick, get aggressive with the marketing, man. Get aggressive and get that house sold, because it's on you. And guess what? Once you get it sold, it's another check, baby. Check, check, check. Then you get everything on autopilot where you're paying somebody to put out the signs. But until then, don't make any excuses about you don't have any money to get the job done. Get out there yourself and get the job done. Because at the end of the day, our success depends on us. It depends on me. It depends on you. So make it happen. Mr. Transaction, your boy signing out. I love you guys. We all one. Have a great day. Peace.